Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I completely got this whole unit together. This unit is from Celie's Hair. Celie sent me this 613 blonde unit and it's 12 inches. And I just kind of cut it and styled it myself a little bit, played around with it, and I'm in love. This is my first time actually completely just wearing blonde hair. This unit is literally giving me life right now. Like, do you see how like this hair is so like, it's just, this is amazing, honestly. So before we continue with this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can get more videos of me styling and profiling my units that I create, my fashion, my makeup looks. All of that you will get here on my channel. Please stay tuned and enjoy this video. Like, literally, I didn't use any bleach. Some people I actually do know that they get blonde units and they bleach the knots, but me, I didn't. So if you guys want to know how I did this and how I make this unit look as good as it does, please stay tuned. So this is the finishing look from all of the things that I showed you at the beginning of this video. I hope this helps any and every one of you that are trying and want to lay your blonde unit or lay any unit. This is the Celie Hair. I'm going to really give my review on this hair. I'll give it about a week because I just installed it. You know, you have to give hair, you know, a little while to see if it's going to tangle, if it's going to shed. But it is pretty full. It feels good. As you can see, it's just like my fingers are running through it. If you are seeing any shedding or any hair on my shirt, my crazy self actually cut the hair when I put this on because I was filming. So when I got the shower, I'm like, let me just put my clothes on. Probably the dumbest thing I could have ever done ever, but I'm just gonna take it off and shake it. Hopefully all of the hair come off of it. But it hasn't been shedding so far, so good. I really like the lace is laying down perfectly fine. It wasn't hard to pluck. It wasn't hard to style or anything. It has combs in it. It's really secured, and I just really actually like it. It's anything that I did to it, like flat ironed it, did it, laid it down, did it. Like, it's just easy to style and deal with, and I'm really loving it, you guys. So I'm about to walk out the house with 613 blonde hair in my head. Let's see how this goes. I am extremely confident because I don't do this. Like, if you know me personally, you know black hair is my thing. Black hair, all black, jet black, that's me. So this is something new for me, but I'm loving it. I really take pride into recording my videos. I just recently moved into my new place, so I am actually getting my beauty room together, and I actually didn't get all of my stuff, all of my equipment and everything, so please bear with me for the moment, but I'm still trying to drop as many videos as I possibly can. So please bear with me with the way I'm recording because I would prefer this to be in a more professional background. I will be coming back with this unit showing another style that I have in mind that I want to do with this, but right now I would give this a solid 10 just for like the first install, the first look, the first touch, everything. I'm gonna give it a solid 10. See you guys in my next video.